getting woken up by the television exploding. There was smoke everywhere.
Alex! But Alex was gone. Get up! Get up! Wake up! Kim, you gotta get up. There's a fire. Come on, you gotta get up.
Where's Alex?
I don't know. I can't find him.
What do you mean you can't find him?
My first thought was to get my wife.
Animal Miracle Stories with Allen Thicke as the host. They make me cry almost every day. What can I say? I'm sad. I'm a sucker. See what happens. I'm sure, actually, I already know what will happen. The animal will save the day. All the people will live and be all sad, and they'll think they know what the animal was thinking. Which they may or may not.
I couldn't think straight because I couldn't find Alex.
Brian's panicked cries woke Robert. Alex!
Something was happening above my head in the first floor.
To catch you up, Alex, it's either the dog or the autistic child. Neither one of them speaks. And there's been some type of tragedy fire. I don't know. The mom said she took a lot of drugs, fell asleep with her father-in-law or something. I'm not really sure. They can't find Alex. They can't find Alex. They can't find Alex.
Robert couldn't find Alex, but his 30 years as a fireman told him he might be able to buy some time.
So I ran and grabbed the garden hose, and my only thought was to try and keep the fire.
I don't know if we're going to get the exciting conclusion before this video runs out.
He's small enough to be below the smoke.
And now I'm starting to assume Alex is the son, not the dog. Since they never give a shit about the dog in this story, until the dog's the hero that saves the son. This one's not going to make me cry.
As the fire trucks arrived, Robert suddenly remembered Misty. She was locked in the basement.
I thought Misty was the mom.
She was
took a lot of drugs.
As I was, and we ran her outside because now the firefighters were there. She was struggling in my arms.
Maybe Misty's the dog. Maybe they gave the dog a lot of drugs. The dog in the basement with the father-in-law. That makes more sense.
Alex was in the house.
Why would the dog drugs? How could the dog be a hero?
Overcome common monoxide poisoning. And even if you're alive.